Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155. Ringkat bakanet foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Keyboard penya jongka RC Eve Skul Mihmyntdu Jawai hakakat sautar unai weng arjar apuar kila pen kemen ki Khynnah pule jongka ni Skul daga pelong ki program per hakajing rakhe ya keski kerpang jing Khynnah red hakari India brokwe hakini keski la sakilang do nong Mihmyntdu naga Maximum Nongsning East Jente Hills District Upi Joshi ringkat kejing don lang jong uba I Pale ka Sister Pushpita ka Secretary jong School Managing Committee ka Kong Tina Lakyang bat kino hikai.
Chacha Nehru was very fond of children. Whenever he used to go and when he find children, he used to be in love with them. He used to play with them, spend time with them. The thing was that he always think, as Madam told, that you are the future of nation. I came to know from Madam that most of you are doing job also, going to jungle also, helping your parents, helping your families, and it really inspires me. The life is not so easy. For us, the life is not so easy. We all have to struggle to become a good person. A person with happiness, with love, and lots of respect. Whoever you are seeing today, the teachers, the principal, Sir Nathan, this sir, whoever has come, all of them struggled in life. Because if you don't struggle, we never understand the meaning of life. The only thing I would again wish you a happy Children's Day, and as Madam told, that yes, we are here to work with you, to help you, not to support. We are here to work with you.
We celebrate this Children's Day because of the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So let me tell you something. You know, I think Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, why he loved the children so much, why he always take care of the children. According to me, I used to think that maybe because he was the first Prime Minister, it was he who fought the independence of India. So in him he saw that the future of the nation lies on you all, on the children. That's why he cared very much for them. He loves them, he spends time with them, and he wants them to grow as a normal person, a person who can stand on their own feet, who can fight for their own right, and then to be a real Indian.
Every day by being obedient, by being aware of your own responsibilities every day. Not so much, but by doing your homework, obeying your parents, obeying your teachers, obeying and respecting your elders, and helping one another, as so many things you know it, what I wish to say. So be all of you a very good students by doing everything well, your responsibilities well,